I was sent this 10-pack of hose clamps for your pool and asked you my opinion on them, make this short video, so here goes. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 10 of these. Now these have thumb screw fittings on them, so real handy because when you're just doing quick connects on your 1.5-inch hoses, perhaps for your out-of-ground pool, for your filter, for your pool cleaner, you want to have these 304 stainless hose clamps so that they don't rust and that they last you a long time. And all you got to do is with your finger just tighten this little thumb screw deal here. It's got a nice surface that you can grab, and that's all it takes to tighten these things up. So you're going to get 10 of these in the pack. That's going to be super useful. No matter what kind of hoses you're connecting, this is going to be real easy to tighten them up and know that they're secure using these hose clamps. So these are 1.5-inch, sport 1.5-inch hoses, and you can clamp it down further from there. So hey, I hope this video was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this hose clamp set, pack of 10. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.